Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use search filter and filter by condition in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now let us get started. Before we proceed with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using or the browser that you are using to open Google Sheets is currently up to date. This is so that we'll not encounter any errors along the process. Now let us get started. By the way, if you are interested in watching other Google Sheets tutorials such as how to create basic formulas, how to enter and edit data, how to format cells, or even how to create a new Google Sheets document, please make sure to click on the playlist on our YouTube channel that compiles all the tutorials when it comes to Google Sheets. Now, as you can see right here in my Google Sheets file, I have a set of numerical value with different colors, with different numbers, and as you can see right here, we have the values data. Now, let's say for example, I want to create a filtering by search. All I have to do is to highlight these datas, including the header, which is my cell A1 up to cell A7, and we can highlight this by clicking on the cell A1, which is the starting cell, and then clicking and dragging towards the end of the cell, which is A7, to highlight these numerical values. And as you can see, we have now successfully highlighted all these different cells. Now all we have to do is to head over to the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the ribbon and the different tabs. We have 9 tabs in total right here in Google Sheets. As you can see, it is located under the file name, and I want you to focus on the 4th tab from the right, which says data. Click data, and it will give us a drop down of different options that we can choose from here in Google Sheets. And in order for us to create a filter, just simply press the create a filter icon, which is the 3rd option from the top. Click on that once, and as you can see, we have now created a filter with these corresponding values, with our header being the number 1. Now, since this is our header, this will not be affected by any means on whatever we set on our filtering. For this video, we will focus on search filtering and condition. Now, to change the filter of here in Google Sheets, all you have to do is to click this icon right over here, the 3-bar icon. Click on it once, and then as you can see, it will drop down different options that we can choose from. Now, I've already taught you sort Z to A and sort A to Z and filter by color in the previous video, so if you're curious, please be sure to check it out on our dedicated playlist. Now, we will focus on filter by condition by clicking on this arrow icon or triangle icon right over here. Click on it once, and you can see we have the condition. In condition, it has, let's say for example, date is before, different of conditions that you can choose from, but for the sake of the tutorial, let us focus on the empty condition. Let's say for example, this cell does not contain anything. It is empty. Now, as you can see, if I filter by condition and then it's set to is not empty, press OK, that specific cell will be removed, because then the data that will only be showed in this table with filtering is only the data that has a numerical value that is inputted in that specific cell, which in this case, the cell A4 does not have any data in it, and therefore it will be removed because of our condition filtering. Now, when it comes to search filtering, which is this one, we can actually choose only what we will display. Let's say for example, I only want to display the numbers 3 and 5 in this set of values. I would uncheck these ones, and we will only leave 3 and 5 checked, because these are only the numerical values that we would like to show on this specific set of values. Once you are all set, click OK once, and as you can see, it will create a filtering in which it will only show the numerical values 3 and 5. As simple as that, we can use condition filtering and search filtering here in Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.